In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 5G not showing up on your iPhone. So if your mobile data is not working or the 5G is just not showing up, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone and click on battery. Now, scroll down this page and select power mode and make sure low power mode is turned off and disabled like this. You can then come back over to the main settings page, toggle on airplane mode, and then wait around 5 to 10 seconds and then try turning airplane mode off. Once you've done this, you can check to see if your 5G is now working. Now, if you're still having an issue, then click on Wi-Fi from the list of options and go and turn off and disable your Wi-Fi. You can then come back over to the previous window and click on mobile service. Now, select your SIM from the list of options. Click on voice and data and make sure 5G auto is selected and then come back over to the previous window. You could then click on data mode, make sure allow more data on 5G selected, come back over to the previous window and you can check to see if that's now solved the issue. If it's still not working, then go and open back up settings, scroll down and click on general, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select transfer or reset iPhone. Now click on reset and select reset network settings. You'll then simply need to enter the passcode to your iPhone and this is going to reset all of your mobile data settings. Once you've done this, you can go and restart your phone and that should fix the issue where the 5G is not showing up. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.